Good to see you.
Nice to see you guys. How you been?
Great to hear from you.
Good.
So I understand, I'm hoping that you'll be able to help us. We do something called final mile delivery as one of our lines of business. And that means we deliver big packages from very famous, well-known national companies. And we're delivering things like furniture and mattresses and artwork and kitchen cabinets.
Windows and doors.
All different kinds of things. And sometimes something goes awry with an order and people cancel, or we're not really sure what happens, but the companies tell us don't make the delivery and they don't want the items back.
Really?
Yeah, it's incredible. And
they just want us to throw it to the landfill.
So we're figuring, since all of this stuff is brand new, that we could give it to somebody, but we just don't know who to contact or where we should go with it. And we thought that with your involvement in the community, that maybe you would be a resource to connect us with somebody who could take all this stuff.
Sure. Well, I don't know if you've ever heard of, I'm sure you've heard of Habitat for Humanity, Habitat in Dutchess County. They started a couple years ago something called the ReStore, and they do exactly that. They take in people's, usually it's used furniture and things like that, but they just moved to a new location, and this, I think this could be a really great boon for them, and obviously solve a problem for you. Why don't I reach out, if it's okay with you, I'll reach out to Maureen Lashley there and see if this is something that they can take. How much is this? How much stuff do you have?
Truckloads.
Definitely.
Once we get caught up,
yeah.
And once we, because we've stopped throwing the stuff out, so we have probably a couple of trailer loads right now.
Wow.
And then it could be a few pieces every week that we could, feed to her.
Great. Well, you know what? Let me reach out to her, and either I'll get back to you or she will, and let's see if this works for both of you guys.
That'd be great.
So,
thank you so much.
Always a pleasure to see you guys.
Thank
Good
you.
to see you.
Thank you.
Maureen Lashley. Hi, Neville. How are you? How's everything going? Good. How's Karen? Good. Glad to hear it. What's up? Really? Are you kidding me? Oh, Neville. Thank you so much. Yeah, the Arnoff family is amazing. I have to say that. You'll probably remember that when Habitat was getting off the ground about 8 years ago, we literally had no place to be, and the Arnoffs gave us storage so we could keep our construction materials and tools. Yeah. This is going to be amazing. The idea of having unclaimed freight as part of our ReStore inventory is definitely going to step up our game, no question about it. I will give Lisa a call as soon as we hang up. Neville, thanks so much. I really appreciate the connection. Take care. All right, talk to you soon. Bye-bye. Hi, Lisa. This is Maureen Lashley at Habitat for Humanity. How are you? Yes. Neville said that you would love to talk to me about an idea you had, and I'm excited to talk to you. Oh, wow. I can only imagine what that must have felt like. Yeah, throwing away perfectly good furniture. That just, it must have broken your heart. Well, we have a solution to your problem. I can promise you that. Oh, absolutely. Lisa, you just let me know when you're available and we will be ready for you. Really exciting. Thank you so much, and thank you to Arnoff. You are an amazing community member and an amazing family. Thank you. Take care. Bye-bye.
I've had 19 surgeries. I have 3 more to go. And my son's autistic. He's full-blown autistic all the way. He wears diapers and everything. And I live in a mobile home, and I don't have any counters to cook. And I love to cook.
Yeah, pretty much. And we've been struggling finding cabinets and stuff that are around our range price. And one of our son's supervisor, his rep, she actually told us about this place. She actually found out that it was next to us, and which just made it even better because we live like literally 5 minutes away. So it's like.
And we've been here ever since, and it's been a
love
blessing because now I have a prep area, which is because of you guys. We got a nice chopping block. We got a nice little bench because we live in a mobile home. We don't have much seating space. There's no space for it. And now we have these beautiful cabinets.
Yeah.
Which is gonna help me put away all this stuff, because you know, us cooks, we like to store a lot of our things away because we like to cook. And now we have this, and I'm so appreciative of you guys and where you're located. You're helping a lot of families that need the help.